Hi, my name is Juan. I'm a coach based in Singapore. In this video, I'm going to share with you part 2 of Reframe and Rebuild. In part 1, we have discussed some tools from positive intelligence to identify belief and assumption in interpreting an incident. In part 2, we will discuss the shifting of perspective and developing a plan for rebuild. In this rebuild, we're going to use two tools. One is shifting personal image. Second is use some sage power from positive intelligence program. And the last we will discuss what are included in the rebuild plan. And just to recap, the example we used in the previous portion, reframe. A leader would like to grow a team through empowerment. The person is nervous because the person or the leader has been the expert and the savior of the team. In this part of the video, you answer two questions from the reframe video. What could I learn from this? What could thing come from this? Before we talk about the two questions, based on my professional experience, I always like to help the leader to have a new image or identity. The main reason is we are a creature of habits. We usually make decisions or behave based on the image or identity we have. Therefore, in this case, to grow the team, what is the new image of the team? Sorry, leader. As stated in the case, the leader perceives himself or herself as the leader and the savior team. So what could be the new image for the leader? It's possible for the team, the leader would like to be the gardener or lighthouse. Once the leader decides the new image or identity, we could use the sage power from positive intelligence. There are five. In this example, I will share with you three sage power. The first one is empathy, seeing the situation from the participant perspective. In this case, the leader would accept struggle the leader and the team would would experience in the transition and therefore be more patient. That's a good thing from the situation. Second power is explore. What are some ways we can do together? For example, the leader could work with the team on the transition to the new approach or style of leadership. What support the team need and also the leader from the team. Third, innovate. What could be a radical approach or totally different way of handling this transition? An example would be three leaders forming a pod, small group, which they can get some support from each other and tips and wisdom. It's best these three leaders all have different leadership styles. After considering the potential new behavior and habit of leader, then we will help the leader to create a plan for the transition to the new direction. And in the plan, we will be clear what are the new behavior and habit in this shift. What could stop the leader from making the transition, like risk factor? Third, what support would help to make the transition smoother, like more patient support of each other between the leader and the team, and the support of the pod. Last but not least is accountability. How would the leader know he or she is on the right track? There's a saying, ideas are good and the action will be much greater. There is part two of review. And if you are interested in this reframe and build program, here's the link in the slide. I hope to see you in the reframe and review program.